view. Look at that. Beautiful, mate.
I like doing what she's doing. Hello, hello.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào, xin chào.
Bit of off-roading. Don't want to be too heavy on the front brake here. Look at that though, eh? Way! What a view, look at that. What a view. I wish I had my phone. Nah, what? Well, can we go that way? Or that way? This way looks better. Oh, I think this is someone's house. I think we've come to someone's house by mistake. Oh, that's not a bad place to live, is it? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, this is obviously someone's house. And the dogs are coming to get us. So what? We're going. The dogs are coming after us. I just don't want to lose it. Nah, let's leave them here. Ain't worth it, is it? Whoa!
What? Hey!
Did the wind turbines ruin it, or did they add a bit of modern?
Well, you want modern? Fucking mountain.
Well, it's the juxtaposition of the beauty of nature and the architecture of man. I know, I'm so poetic. Pathetic, people say. Look at this though. Come on. Come on. And that road we just went down, but people are living here. Hey? Might have tellies, might have Wi-Fi, don't know, but what we've seen so far, all the kids are out playing football, volleyball. Yeah, we could have come down here, but we had to get back up as well. Oh, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's take me lid off. Absolutely beautiful, mate. It says don't go swimming. I wasn't planning on it, to be fair. I might put some spray on though, so I don't get bitten to pieces. Listen, just listen. I want to get some photos, but I've just had my phone. I had a screen protector put on. Oh, here we go. Another interesting story. Cool story, bro. I had a screen protector put on when we was on the island at Cat Bar, and it was obviously rubbish. It was all looked like it was all cracked. I've gone into the shop. He said, no, your actual screen's cracked. So I've had a new screen fitted and a new screen protector. But he said, give it half hour. He's put elastic bands and all that on it to hold it in place. But look at that.